Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this bed frame. Now I just got this put together and I want to show you what that assembly process looked like, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the bed frame. So if that's something that interests you, just keep watching. I got the box opened and was instantly impressed with the softness of the material, and I appreciated that every part was clearly labeled. I organized the pieces and parts to make sure everything was there that I needed. They did provide a really nice ratchet Allen wrench for assembly, which made things much easier. Then I was ready to put it together. Starting with the feet on the end frame piece. Next, I got the middle support secured to the end frame and then attached the cross support bar. Moving on, I began assembling the remainder of the frame and attached the top pieces to the headboard legs and the bottom side frames to the end frame. This was very simple and just repetitive. Then I secured the headboard support bar and it was ready for the beautiful velvet headboard. This took 8 screws, so it felt very sturdy. Next were the side headboard pieces, and lastly, it was time for the wooden slats to be placed. There is Velcro lining the bed frame and on the straps of the slat pieces, so those won't easily move around or make noise with movement, and just like that, it's complete. All right, so there you have it. Installation was pretty simple, honestly. It was something I was able to complete by myself. It did take some time, but I was in no rush. I really was at a relaxed pace. I did have my husband help with a few tight screws, but I also really appreciated that they included a ratchet style Allen wrench. That made the process that much easier. And I do love the bed. It's definitely lower than my previous bed, so that's gonna take some getting used to. It's not quite as grand as I was expecting, but it is beautiful. The velvet headboard and like frame is very soft to the touch. It does feel very sturdy as well. Like whenever I jump on it, move around, I don't hear like creaking noises. And it certainly has a luxurious look to it. So if you guys were looking for a new bed frame, something that's very modern and pretty low profile and quite simple to get together, this is an awesome option, and it's going to easily fit a range of spaces. I love the black. It gives a good contrast against the white walls. It's going to be neutral enough to go in just about any space. So I would definitely check this out if you were looking for a new bed frame.